Yeah, here's what we do at paper training. What do we do with paper, guys? How's the paper training going? This my paper? This mine? Not toys. Not toys. Who's being bad? Huh? Who ripped up paper? Here's the potty paper side. But we don't have any paper anymore because somebody took it. Who did it? Hi, guys. Hi, guys. You guys are so cute, my littles. You looking at me, Kyle? He's so cute. Kyoki. There's my girls. Lola. Whoops, turned the camera the wrong way. What? What? What do you need? We need love. We always need love. I know. You guys are so beautiful. Yes, you are.